How to turn off recommended apps on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the recommended apps on your Android device. So what I'm talking about here is, if you go over to your recent apps, you should see these recommended apps on your bottom dock, which will show you your most used apps or recently used apps. Now, if you don't want to see this when you go to your recent apps, then in that case, there is a fix. Go to your recent apps, and then you can find the three dots at the top right corner. Then find the settings menu. Once you're on settings, you can find this option called show recommended apps. It might be different depending on a different device or a different model of your device, but it should be something similar to this. Just tap on the toggle to turn it off. And once this is turned off, as you can see, if I go to a new app and go to recent apps, it's not showing me the bottom dock of the recommended apps. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.